Hello, and welcome to our channel. We're truly excited to bring you simple yet powerful ways to improve your health naturally. Today, we're talking about a vegetable that many people underestimate, but your body will never forget once you start using it. Beetroot, deep red, earthy, and often ignored, is one of nature's most powerful boosters for your blood and energy. Have you ever felt tired for no reason? Like your body just doesn't have enough power, even after rest? The answer might lie in your blood circulation. Beetroot is rich in natural nitrates. Inside your body, these convert into nitric oxide, a compound that helps widen your blood vessels. This means better blood flow, more oxygen, and more energy reaching every part of your body. You don't just feel better, you feel alive. Athletes drink beetroot juice before workouts for a reason. It increases stamina, improves endurance, and helps you push beyond your limits. But you don't have to be an athlete to feel its benefits. Even in your daily life, beetroot can make a powerful difference. It supports heart health, lowers blood pressure, and helps your body detox naturally. Its deep red color is not just beautiful, it's a sign of powerful antioxidants working silently to protect your cells. And then there's the feeling. That lightness, that clarity, that unexpected energy you didn't know you were missing. Beetroot doesn't shout. It works quietly, deeply, effectively. Just a glass of beetroot juice a day, or adding it to your meals, and your body begins to respond. Because sometimes, the strongest changes don't come from complex solutions, but from simple, natural choices. Thank you for watching and taking a step toward a healthier life with us. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. It truly supports our mission to bring you more life-changing content. And remember, your health is your greatest wealth. We look forward to seeing you again in our next video. Stay strong, stay energized, and take care.